Good morning everyone. My name is Alexander R. Elardo, and for this activity, I will be discussing whether criminal investigation can be considered as art or science. Now, criminal investigation is actually considered either as art or science, as criminal investigation is a wide area with specific fields. Now, within these specific fields, they use specialized method to gather the necessary data in an investigation. And upon receiving the evidence, they must first examine its reliability before testing it and questioning its role from the case. And with that, they create an hypothesis from the evidence as well as its relevance. From there, if enough data is gathered, they then interpret it with tested and proven facts that they have gathered. So all of this actually requires a scientific approach, from observing, gathering, testing, and finally coming up with the results from the hypothesis. Now, looking at it as an art, we must first understand how something can be an art. What makes something an art? Now, according to what I have researched, there are characteristics that a concept must possess in order for it to be considered as an art. Now, one of these are actually, let me rephrase that. According to what I have researched, it is a combination of human creativity, skill, and intent to invoke an experience or to communicate an idea. Now, usually it often involves aesthetic or conceptual value. So when we say conceptual value, it must have a value at first hand that can be appreciated later on. And this is why criminal investigation can also be considered as an art. People back then actually have a limitation when it comes to investigating. So what they do, they look at different angles, and with their creativity, they come up with something new that they could have contributed, that today we are still using it, especially in forensic science. Back then, the development of this criminal investigation technique, and like I said, they are met with limitations. So how do they do it? No, they do it through creativity and trial and error. So when we say trial and error, if they think of something that is new to them, no, syempre they have to test its reliability, and through reliability they further excel in it. When we say further excel in it, they continue to use it in various practices. Now, it shows that criminal investigation is also an art, as people, back then had insane creativity and skills to solve a problem. What this means is that in order for them to come up with that, they must first put themselves into the situation. They have to think like the people that they are investigating, and from that they actually form ideas, thoughts, and from that they are created through necessary means of continuous testing and further refining it for the field that we have known today.